Katana CRM is a church management software that claims to streamline operations for churches of all sizes. But before you make a purchase, here are 12 things you need to know. It's a solid choice, but does it stand up to competitors like Planning Center or Breeze Church Management? Let's find out. The first thing to know is KatanaCRM's user interface. While simple, it's not the most intuitive. If you're coming from software like Breeze, which offers a more polished and user-friendly experience, there may be a slight learning curve. It's functional, but it may take some time to get accustomed to. Next thing, KatanaCRM has great features for managing membership, donations, and event scheduling. It's designed to make the church's day-to-day operations easier. But, compared to Planning Center, its feature set is a bit more basic. Planning Center goes a step further, with more specialized tools, so if you need deeper features, consider this before making a decision. The third thing is pricing. KatanaCRM is one of the more affordable options, which can be great for smaller churches with limited budgets. However, it's not always clear how much you'll end up paying in the long term, especially when considering additional features or add-ons. Competitors like Breeze have clearer pricing structures, which can help with budgeting. The fourth thing you should know is the customer support. KatanaCRM offers decent support, but response times can vary. If fast support is a priority for you, services like Planning Center might give you a better experience with their well-known support team that's available around the clock. Next thing, KatanaCRM doesn't have as many integrations with third-party apps compared to competitors. While it does integrate with popular tools like QuickBooks, it lacks the wide variety of options you might find in other systems like Breeze. If your church relies heavily on other software, you might want to check if KatanaCRM will work with all the tools you already use. The sixth thing is data security. KatanaCRM uses standard encryption methods to protect your church's sensitive information. But if you're dealing with a lot of personal data or need to meet higher security standards, you may want to consider something like Planning Center, which offers more robust security features. The seventh thing to note is reporting capabilities. While KatanaCRM offers basic reporting, it lacks the advanced customizable reports that Planning Center or Breeze can provide. This can be a deal breaker for churches that need detailed, in-depth reports for things like attendance trends, donations, or event performance. The eighth thing is mobile access. KatanaCRM does offer a mobile app, but it's not as smooth or feature-rich as apps from competitors like Breeze, which provides a more seamless experience for staff and church members on the go. The ninth thing to consider is ease of use. KatanaCRM's setup process is fairly straightforward, but again, if you're used to a more modern, polished user experience, you might find it a bit dated. Planning Center, on the other hand, has a reputation for making onboarding easier for churches. Next up is customization. KatanaCRM offers some customization, but not as much as Planning Center or Breeze. If you need a software that can be tailored to your church's unique needs, you might be disappointed with the limited customization options here. The 11th thing is how KatanaCRM handles volunteer management. It's capable, but it's not as comprehensive as other church management software options, particularly Planning Center, which is known for its robust volunteer scheduling features. Finally, KatanaCRM does have good community features, including a member directory and messaging tools, but they're basic compared to what you'll get with Breeze, which offers a more expansive set of communication tools for church staff and members. Overall, KatanaCRM is a solid option for churches looking for an affordable, no-frills solution. It does a good job of handling basic church management tasks like membership tracking, donations, and events. But if you're looking for more features, more customization, or a smoother user experience, we recommend checking out our preferred solution that offers a free trial.